All right, the last thing I wanted to just touch on is autoimmune conditions. And the reason I wanted to add this is because it's women experience these at a way higher rate. I put a quote from Dr. Gabor Mate, who just came out with a book called The Myth of Normal. Highly recommended if you have a chronic illness. It is a fascinating book. But this was a quote from him. He said, women take twice as many antidepressants, get 80% of autoimmune diseases, and they get more chronic illness and more chronic pain than men do. He used a phrase when I saw him speak recently that really stuck with me, and he called women society's shock absorbers. And I don't know, ladies, does this resonate with you as it did with me? And the reason, the role that women, the emotional labor that we provide in this society, the role that we play, can actually be possibly impacting our health. When we are self-abnegating or, putting ourselves last all the time, we tend to, develop illnesses like this. And in menopause as well, you see when the endocannabinoid levels are dropping as well as the estrogen, a lot of women start getting diagnosed with autoimmune conditions. So it's related. So some of the examples of an autoimmune condition: rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, inflammatory bowel disease like Crohn's or ulcerative colitis, multiple sclerosis. Sorry, you guys, I'm having a tongue twister today. Type 1 diabetes, Sjogren's syndrome. There's over 80 autoimmune conditions. So it basically means when your body is not recognizing its cells as itself and instead is attacking them. And that's what's going on in all of these conditions. So how can cannabis help? In many ways: reducing inflammation, moderating the immune system. THC can actually reduce immune activity. So that can be a bad thing for, say, maybe cancer patients. But for patients with autoimmune conditions whose immune system is hyperactive, that modulation by THC can be really helpful. Autoimmune people, these conditions that I listed off here, it's a real good chunk of the patients I see. Cannabis helps these folks. It helps with alleviating pain and spasticity, helps with improving mood, slowing or halting disease progression for a lot of these. Having a regular cannabis regimen can slow down the progression of some of these diseases like MS. And it promotes neuroprotection. Another thing that, we found out about cannabis is neuroprotectant. So if you have a disease, neurodegenerative disease, cannabis can be really, really helpful for that. So again, the autoimmune conditions are associated with that endocannabinoid deficiency. So your combination of THC and CBD can be a great way to treat this.